We're out here hiking! Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here, and today I am hosting my first group hike, and I'm so excited. I've never done this before, but a lot of people have been asking to hike with me, and I thought it'd be nice to just host a group hike and hike with other people today. So we are going to be hiking here at the Cedar Ridge Preserve here in Dallas, and it's a beautiful day. The sun is out, you guys. Spring is here. Everything is growing, as you can see, and I'm so excited to take y'all along this hike today. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along with all of my adventures. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and your family. And I can't wait to take y'all along this hike today. Yeah. No. We just finished our hike. This is a great place to come out and enjoy nature. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for the next one.